Hello friends, today I'm going to make a very simple and hot soup. So I had potatoes, cauliflower and mushrooms. So I had a pound of beef, sliced them, and then I added cornstarch and cooking wine and soy sauce. And you mix it together. Cauliflower, cut it small size. Mushroom, also cut it small size. And potato, slice them. So in a boiling water, you have to blanch all the vegetables together about 1.5 or 2 minutes. And beans, sprouts, and the lettuce, I put it the last, just blanch for them about 1 minute. In hot oil, I added dry chili and red pepper, and then wait for just 40 seconds. Saute them, and then you have to add the ginger, garlic, and scallion, and also saute them for a 30 seconds. Just make sure you don't burn them. The color looks golden brown. Then you added chili paste and dark soy sauce, and then saute. Mix all together nicely about 30 seconds, and then you have to add the liquid from the vegetable, like kind of vegetable stock. So add it in all the way, and then once the liquid is boiling, add the meat little by little, and then make sure they are not stick together. So added everything, and then you have to cook about 2 minutes. After cook, take it out, and then put it top of the vegetables, and also the liquid touch above the vegetables. Top of the meat, I had the ginger, scallion, and chili flake, and also hot oil. So pour over the spices and also the garnish. Smells good. I hope my friends enjoy the video, and thank you.